Hey everyone, welcome to another video on the channel. Today is Tuesday, October 5th, 2021. We're going to be taking another look at Blackberry stock. Before we get started, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. And we can see here that Blackberry did have a bit of a red day, being down 8 cents in the day's trading, but it was barely red. It was just down a few cents, so looking at the chart, we could see we did have a bit of a run up. We tried to test that $10 level, didn't quite make it, fell back down, and then have been consolidating for the rest of the day in this critical mid 9 level support, which, as we know, if we zoom out a bit, that had been a pattern we'd seen a lot. We'd come down to the mid 9s, found bounces, came down again, bounced back up into the 10 level, etc. So, as I was saying yesterday, I'm really curious to see, we haven't done it yet, if we're going to break below this mid 9 or if we're going to find support there and potentially jump up even higher. Now, I think there's a bit of a bullish and bearish case again. So, on the one hand, the fact that we're holding this mid 9 level support is great. And we've held it pretty consistently. We did break below like a week or two ago into the lower 9s or whatnot, but we quickly got right back into the mid 9 and then found that bounce and went all the way up to 11 and etc. But on the other hand, we are making lower lows and lower highs, which is a bit of a bearish trend we could see here over the week. However, if we look at just this week, well, over the past 5 days over here, but if we look at just this week, we are more or less consolidating into this narrower channel in the mid 9 level, which could mean that we're getting ready for a breakout in one direction or another. And I think in terms of which way it goes, it may depend on what's happening with the market, because as we know, there's been so much volatility lately. And the market was green today and Blackberry did go down, but a lot of the former meme stocks, a lot of the growth stocks were also kind of trending lower, or if they were either red or barely green or whatnot. So I think it's going to be a waiting game to see how the market reacts in general and whether or not it takes Blackberry with it or not. But let me know what you think. Leave a comment in the comment section below if you're telling me if you're buying, if you're selling. Always curious to see what the viewers are doing with their shares. And I'll catch you in the next one.